Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, we are going to select a stocks for tomorrow by using the candlesticks pattern. So let me try. We recently check it out and let's look at this movement of Nifty. This is exactly 45-degree movement. So great move. But we daily basis we are focusing for a bullish bullish homing pigeon. 2 days back he forms and finally it breaks the high of 17,726 and it broke by yesterday. We are expecting this is a bullish signal, but next day it is a gap lower and that's after the gap lower it is keep on going up, and 2 days it is a huge move from the low. It was recovered very big, almost 17,166. Now it is 17,777, almost 600 point within a 2 days it recovered after the big gap down. So we thought that the gap was filled. By next day itself the back gap was filled in this Nifty. So now it is breaks our entry point. So let me check it out what will happen next. And Bank Nifty also same thing which is happening on Bank Nifty. Most of the stocks which is happening Bank Nifty. So let me go for the stock selection tomorrow based on the charting scanner and candlesticks pattern. Let me go for our Atlas stocks for tomorrow. What are the stocks which we got it? Let's look at this. No stocks were filtered by doji, so mostly the doji and hammer and shooting star will give you a good result. So that's why I am focusing these stocks to tomorrow's trade, but it will work for intraday as well as positional too. And as per the system we didn't get, and we have this another scanners. So for at the dashboard we can go for it. That is what our individual scanners also we have, and we can go for a single candle pattern. So maybe doji spinning top, like things. And we didn't get any stocks for tomorrow. I hope we missed out for the 30th August. Oh my god, we missed out. Let me go for, because it is yesterday na, yesterday is today is holiday, 30th closing only it's showing. Let me check it out what date it's showing you. Stocks for tomorrow. The closing price is 30th August, not 31st. So it's working right only. Let me go for individual scanner of that one we created for shooting star. So in number 3 we didn't get any stocks. Let me go for a number 2. Oh, there is also we didn't get any stocks in number 2. This is happening at 29th. These are the stocks which we have find out 29th. Okay, so this is not for we are searching. And let's go for a hammer. If any hammer candle, let's find out one stock, that is Concor. Recently focus about Concor on last video also, I think. Yes, there is a shooting star, first one. We thought where it maybe go down. So it is a zigzag move on a Concor, so we may ignore that. Maybe we are focusing for below this level, but it is not broken. Above this level also not broken, but again it forms a, after 4 consecutive half we find it down. So another hammer candle, we can focus it for 699 and 686, almost 13 point. So what we are expecting by using the hammer candle, so we can expect bullish over and above 699, or if it is goes above 700 we can focus for a buy on that particular stock, and we keep the stop loss around 686 as a stop. We can go for the trade because it is already continues the 4 consecutive up day and it is a 1 down, but again it started positive, may have the chances it may continues the trend, 4 consecutive upside and 1 down. So it's not going down because it is again started up, so there is a chances it may continues the trend. Once it is broke above 600, break and above 699, 686 would be our stop loss for the trade, where we can focus for the stocks for a tomorrow by hammer candle. And let me go for number 2 hammer. Oh, Dixon, Aditya Birla, Container Corporation, Bharati Airtel. So let me go for a Dixon. What happened on that? Not good. Don't want to focus it out. Down, down. So not good. And it is also top level. So don't want to take a trade on that. And Dixon, you may ignore Dixon. Don't want to focus tomorrow. And ABFRL, Aditya Birla Capital. And I'm having position in the ABFRL. I'm holding a long position in call option. So there is a good chance I took position. I may be here, and next day it fallen down and started recover. So even the market is going down and then recover, the option price due to the time value, it will not increase big. But today I have the chances in it forms a hammer candle. It's never came down. So let's look at this. It keep on went higher and higher, and again even it is a gap down and closed with a positive. And today also it forms a hammer. May the good chances, if the stock breaks this level, it may continues the uptrend. So let me focus what was the level for the stocks 307 and 299. I think it is a big stop loss. So those who are ready to take that much of risk, you can trade 307 above, should be buy for tomorrow. And we keep the stop loss 299 as a stop. So nearby 8 rupees risk for the trade. So if the risk is suitable to you, you can make the trade. So but I am already holding some position in a ABFRL long position, but still it is not giving you. But I am not taken for intraday. It's my positional trade. Even I can hold up to this month end, because the contract is started today. There is a new contract which is going to start from tomorrow, right? So new month started on 1st September. So that is a positional trade which I'm holding it out. So I'm not focusing for it in intraday. It's a positional trade, but there is a good chances to make a trade once it is broken, because of it is a hammer which is happening, but it is happening at highest level. But the trend may continues from the top. New position maker, don't go for it. If you are holding a position, you can hold for some while. So maybe giving you chances. And finally, Bharati Airtel, it's a stock which we got it from on that Bharati Airtel by Tochi Hammer. It looks good. Previously the trend is keep on going up, but it's a mixed trend. 2 days down, 2 days up, and 1 day down, 1 day up. Let's look at this stock. uh, it's a mixed view, but it's slightly going up. 2 days down, 2 days up, again down, up, up, down. So something here, it's showing us some continuous movement, but again 2 days down, and there is a hammer which forms at the lowest level. So we, not lowest level, it is the middle of the trend, I think. Here we can focus it for 737 and 20 point risk. Better you can avoid this, because the trend already max, it reached max the level, and small down, maybe it continues or it may be reversed back to the same level. So it's a, because it looks confusing, so don't want to go to take such a trade on that. So Container Corporation, Concor and ABFRL, both are goods based on the number 2 hammer. That is what the stock we selected based on the hammer and shooting star. Only 2 stocks. One is Container Corporation and another one is ABFRL. Let's look at this. What kind of stocks we can focus it for tomorrow. And someone was asking about a 45-degree stocks, and I got to open a 45-degree stocks. If you are opening 45-degree, so we have only few stocks. These are we created a lot of scanners here, ITC, RAIN and NBCC. But instead of that, we go to find out all the stocks. Let me go for a focus these stocks tomorrow. These 4 stocks. Let me go to find out. These are the high volume as well as more long positions in the stock: Bajaj Finserv, DLF, SRF, India Cement. This 4 you can try with the paper trade tomorrow. Let we update what will happen in this stock for tomorrow's trade, because it is a long build up today and also high buying quantity happening in the stock. May have the chances it may continue the trend by tomorrow. Let me check whether it is continues the trend or not. If it is continuous, we have the chances to make profit from the stock. So that's about my today's video and by stock selection. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and if you have any questions or doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.